The guy who came, who picked it up, the order, but I think he didn't press like to pick it up or something.
Oh, something slick down here. Pick up this order and then there's another order.
Thank you so much.
Good one, man. We got double order here. This is Gotcha bubble tea. Gotcha bubble tea. I don't think this thing is going to be stable. It's moving too much. Alright, I'm going to weigh these first. Pick up this order and then there's another order at Gotcha bubble tea. And it will be a total of it was like $7 for the first one and $6 the second one. But the cloud looks sick.
We're gonna get that band.
Amazon. Yeah.
Wristband, phone holder, HC Colo.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem. It's much easier, right? Like you
Yeah,
just
it's
look at
okay.
here. Hello, just a second. I have this one right here. Yeah, much easier. Checking out, grab photos. Thank you. You think it's gonna rain after?
No,
No? The crowd looks scary.
it looks dark when it's not moving.
Yeah. All right, take it easy, brother. to 8 diving court. Oh shit, I have to go off here. I think it's right here. Are you texting? Yeah. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Great. There you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right, have a good night.
Oh, well, that was super easy. Shit, this is like should I do this? Okay, I'm just gonna do this one. This is 1.7 kilometer for, and it's just only one order. 1.7 kilometer at Halo. Hello. Hi. I got an Uber pickup for Ben? There? Just two? Two or just one? Oh, okay, thank you. This is what? Perfect. Yeah, I might just head home right now. Even the offer doesn't look too good, like 4 kilometers for 1, 2, 4. No. The offer is not that good. And plus there's high chance for the rain. So I might get home early as soon as possible. Because I'm not here to get soaked. Good one, yeah. Is it gonna rain? I just don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah.
I'm so sorry about that. Because the guy who came who picked it up the order, I think he didn't press like to pick it up or something. I'm not sure. So the drivers keep showing up.
Okay, okay.
I'm trying to call the Uber. Right
Oh, okay.
now. Yeah.
No problem, no problem.
Right. I'm so sorry about that.
No worries, it happens.
Yeah. Yes, right.
All right, guys. Wow, that was a good order. Come on. Eee. Oh no. Okay, so it's like order pick up by someone else. I didn't totally sure. I didn't totally understood her, but it seems like someone pick it up. Something. This is AW. Okay, I'm just gonna do this one. This is mine bad for 1.3 kilometer. Not bad. Uber for Inter. Thank you. Okay.
Do you want to eat that itself?
It's okay. Actually, how much I would expect.
I got pick up, yeah. Uber. Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
Oh, something's leaking here. Sorry? The person's coming down. It says it's gonna rain around 10. Yeah, no, yeah, hopefully. Just after this, I just wanna head home. Hey, how's it going?
Thank you very much.
No problem. Take it. Yeah, you too. Thank you. Do you know where the Tower A is? Okay, thank you so much. Hello. Hi, I'm so sorry. Like I think I just spilled some stuff.
It's 0003.
03? 000. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. It's gonna end it here. It's gonna rain very soon. So, anyways, like the video. More content coming up. You know, gonna be posting more lately. I wanted to take a week off, rest and all that, and also it was my wife's birthday, so I just wanted to take the chance and enjoy the time. But we're gonna be full mood fully concentrating. More content and more gigs coming up. Should I go? Yeah, I'm just gonna go here. Guys, I would like to end the video right here. Anyways, if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, why not liking a video, right? Like, come on, your boy here. All right, peace out, guys. I'm not gonna take any delivery after this. Going straight home.